DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I have an update for my DDF nails or DivaDollFlawless, that is a mouthful, .com website customers. Basically, there is some very personal family matters going on. No, I am not pregnant, and no, I am not getting a divorce. Before anyone tries to guess what it is, I just need you guys to kind of listen on this one and just understand that I am expecting some processing delays because I have to be present for some personal family matters. Therefore, I will be sticking to the 24 to 48 hour processing times. As much as possible, I will try to get them shipped as fast as I've already been doing it. I just thoroughly enjoy my customers. I am so appreciative of all of you. And so my online presence may be slowed down a bit, especially on Instagram. And it doesn't always mean I'm going through something when I disappear off of Instagram. I'm just not the type of person who likes to put everything out in the world. I feel like Instagram, to be honest, is one of those social medias that really just gets on my nerves. I feel like there's a lot of cattiness and it's really hard, it seems, to filter Instagram. I don't know why. I follow a lot of nail pages and nail techs, and yet there's always something negative going on. And I don't care how long I've been following you. I'm not a cliquish person. I don't have like any online besties. So once stuff starts to go downhill, I just don't even keep up with it. But I'm just letting you guys know that right now, currently, I am dealing with some stuff. And the best I can say is just keep my family in your prayers. I feel like you don't have to pray for someone if you know everything that's going on. If you genuinely want to, then you can wish someone well without knowing full details. And I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who has been keeping up with me over the years. You guys know I try to be as transparent when I'm dealing with something and let you guys know. But now definitely having my website, it's very important that I do that, because if you are a customer of mine, you have the right to know if there's some delays going on. And I know I would like to know as a customer what's going on, especially if I'm accustomed to a certain rhythm. So thank you guys so much. I love all of my repeat customers. If I have to, from time to time, I might shut the website down just so that I can keep up on everything and then reopen it up once I'm caught up on orders. And I felt like I needed to do this video because now that the weekend is here, I'm realizing I need to get caught up on some orders now. So obviously this is definitely probably going to affect me a little bit, short term, long term, I don't really know. But I just wanted to give you guys that heads up. So there's going to be a lot of pre-filmed videos, and then anything that I can get filmed in the midst of the kids are actually getting ready to go back to school soon. So yeah, everything's about to get kicked into high gear for us. So I just wanted to let you guys know that you're probably going to see this shirt and face in multiple videos, because right now this is a day that I have to do like some catching up on filming and such. So that's all. I really cannot say thank you guys, and I love you so much. I can't say it enough, I feel like, because my YouTube family is like a extension of my family. So thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. I have a couple other videos that will be posted, so I don't plan on leaving. I'm just expecting that when it comes to the website, there will be some delays, and that's all. So I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.